up people of YouTube, Srikanth here. Welcome back to my channel. Andarki namaskaram. Good morning from Udupi. Today's plan is we'll be going through Murdeshwar to Gokarna. That's the plan for today. Hardly we need to travel for some 3 to 4 hours. That's it. So it is the coastal area. So I thought ki aaram se I'll wake up. So somewhere around at 10 to 9 I woke up, like I got freshed up. So right now the time is 9:15. Yeah, the thing is I need to pack all my stuff. Usually I'll pack it the previous day, means yesterday night only I must pack my stuff. But yesterday night I was too lazy. So I need to pack my stuff and iske baad we'll check out and we'll leave. Packing done. It took 15 to 20 minutes to pack all my stuff. Chalo then, let's move. I've set all my luggage, good to go. And the place where I've stayed is Collection O 79518 Udupi Comfort. And trust me guys, this place is really good. If you're visiting Udupi, right, you can stay over here. The receiving and all is also good. He's very, very responsive. So if you're planning a stay in Udupi, you can stay over here. And yeah, I'll leave his contact details in the description box. Okay, you can contact him as well. Okay, I made my trip to Zero, and from Chennai we have traveled 900 kilometers. Okay, so from here Murdeshwar temple is 103 kilometers from Udupi, and from the place where I'm staying. So chalo, let's move. And it is showing roughly 2 hours. And yeah, it's really nice staying in Udupi and spending time for one day in Udupi. So I'm kind of really glad I spent my day one day in Udupi because it's nice. So that is what I can say. Very old buildings and nice beach and very ancient temple and really sweet people. That is for sure, very sweet people. We have Telugu movie in Udupi theaters. That's nice, in fact, right? Oh, my horn is kind of working. It's not working properly. We are going in the same route. Yesterday morning we went right to St. Mary's Island. So in the same route we are going. We are leaving Udupi. I need to go straight. Ruk ja bhai. Haan, all clear. We are leaving Udupi. Bye bye Udupi. Udupi is a really beautiful place, to be frank. Do visit this place. And you have a lot of things to visit in Udupi. You get to taste seafood, first thing, who are non-veg lovers. And tourist is the second one, where you can visit a lot of places in Udupi. And third is nice people, as I told earlier. This is National Highway 66. So in this National Highway we need to travel for next 64 kilometers. So Panaji is 316 kilometers. Panaji is nothing but Goa. So we are not going to Goa right now. That's not in our plan right now. backwaters. This is backwaters. This one is the first toll gate while we are going from Udupi. Roads are good. Till now we have traveled only 20 kilometers. I do know that, but still, roads are good. NH66. Yeah, NH66. This is NH66. Kondapur 15 kilometers. Gokarna is 158. And what is that? Ankola. Ankola, whatever it is. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It is some 170 kilometers or so. So today we are traveling only 150 kilometers. That is so short, yaar. बहुत ही short distance है. Now only Murdeshwar is only 80 kilometers. अरे वाह, finally I have seen Murdeshwar board here. I'm not finding this Murdeshwar board since last 4 to 5 boards. Murdeshwar, hey, I'm on the correct road though. अरे वाह, देखो emergency number is 1033 and it is NHAI highway survey lines unit K53A3526. These people are highway guys, like who surveys on highway. The driver is talking to phone and aram se he is traveling. Why this uncle is in a hurry? I don't even understand. That uncle is about to take a right turn. I was like, he's watching in the mirror. I was like, hi, Rukja. I'm really happy that he have used his mirror. All of I don't know, not like most of the people or very few people, but there are people who does that. If they want to take a right turn, all of a sudden they'll be like jing bolke, they'll go to right. If they want to take a left turn, jing bolke, they'll go left. Please, darlings, who are driving, people, oh my god, this is nice. People who are in driving seat, so please do use signals, please do use your mirrors. Okay, so just watch out, that's it. If you are doing that, like using signals and using your mirrors, then I just love you guys. Yeah, you people are the best. Actually, this flyover is under construction. Last time also, while I am traveling to Murdeshwar from Udupi, at that time also this flyover is under construction only. That is somewhere around 1.5 years back. Welcome to IRB West Coast Tollway. Okay. I don't know what is IRB stands for. I don't have a drone, in fact. If I would have had a drone, no, so it would have gone up over here. Dire followers, subscribers. If all these things will increase, no, then I'll get a drone. I can get a drone, but without your support, I'm just I'm just investing like everything in all this stuff, motovlogs and all. So yeah, of course I need to invest on my traveling, but gadgets तो थोड़ा सा income तो देखना पड़ेगा ना, है ना? Once my source of income is a bit increased, no, then धीरे I'll increase my gadgets. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god, full ocean, yaar. This is sea. If you go thoda sa aage on the on the right side, you can see backwaters as well. Awesome, yaar. Yesterday also we were in the same route, na, right? If you didn't see yesterday's vlog, go check out that yesterday's vlog. Nice, yeah, beautiful. You know, here I don't think so you must get down in the water. It will be a bit steeper. But the water is in blue color. सही है. Hey, देखो. You know, that side it is backwaters, sea. Awesome, no? मुझे एक पिक चाहिए. I wish I had a drone over here, but I don't have one. चलेगा, that's fine. कोई बात नहीं. देखो, I'm not sure whether you can see that, you know, backwaters. But yeah, in opposite side you have backwaters and here is the sea. I didn't find anyone to click a picture of mine with this beach, but I've clicked some good pictures of my bike. If you want to see those pictures, follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. And this is so beautiful, guys. I seriously love this place. You know, this is my third time traveling through this road. And yeah, third or fourth time traveling to Murdeshwar, Udupi as well. Gokarna, I've never been to Gokarna. This is the first time I'm traveling to Gokarna. And I have booked a hostel in Gokarna. Hostel is really nice. I'll tell you about hostel after I reach there. Cool, no? You know, the guy from that car, no? He was like, he's just sounding horn. Arey bhai sahab, I need to go karke. Then, you know, after overtaking that lorry, no, I was like that. He's peeping his head out and like, you know, looking at me. If someone is overtaking, that's fine, but you know, sometimes I do like this, like wait for some time karke. But still, when you know, if they are sounding horn, no, I'll just overtake and iske baad I'll tell them ki, go sir, please go. I'll be like that. Oh my god, see this curve, yeah. Holy shit, yaar. Did you see this lorry? Completely off. I think at night time, no, he is trying to go on this road. All of a sudden there is a diversion. So then, like, you know, with that load and all, he was like confused and dumb. Here I am taking a left turn to go to Murdeshwar. You know, here it is there. Board is there. 3 kilometers to Murdeshwar. Karke. Murdeshwar temple, take a left turn. Usually you must come through that route. And Sida you will be coming. But I don't know. Google, oh my god. But Google Maps have navigated me through that route. And so ultimately we are in Murdeshwar. Hara Hara Mahadeva Shambho Shankara. Such a beautiful architecture, yaar. Dekho. Right, na? Beautiful, dude. Very, very, very beautiful. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. अरे भाई साहब, no parking. That's good. So ultimately we have reached Murdeshwar. Oh my god, it's so huge, so huge. And you know one more thing, inside you'll have one lift. You know, if you'll take that lift, you'll go till the top, and you know you can reach out. No, sir. I think it is some 16th floor or something. Inside you will have a lift, so from there you can go till the top. So yeah, here the update is what he have told is you can go thoda sa down and you can park it inside karke he have told me. This is the out gate. That is what he have told me. I need someone to look after my bike here. That is what the problem is. Luggage is there, no? Can't leave my bike like that. समझ रहे हो बात? This is the huge temple of Murdeshwar. Okay, I think I'll just carry my tank bag with me, and I need to leave this luggage over here only. Chalo, let's go to the temple and come off. Actually, this is the entrance. This is the in board. Guys, we have reached Murdeshwar, and I'm leaving my bike, luggage, and helmet over here, and I'm taking my tank bag with me, and I'm taking my shoes also. I'll leave my shoes in front of the temple. Right now, I'm inside the temple, so there are no restrictions. You can't carry your gadgets and stuff like that. You can carry your stuff, and darshan is over. Yeah, I didn't even wait for a single second. I just walked for just 2 minutes and came inside the temple. Darshan to ho gaya, and yeah, that's it. I'm a bit worried of my shoes and my luggage. Okay, I'll just wait here for 2 minutes, and iske baad I'll go outside. That is what the update is. Just watch this temple. The Gopuram is like really high here. That is the beauty of Murdeshwar, Just watch it. There you'll get the tickets, and there you need to board your lift to go to the top floor. Oh my god, and right now it's too hot, so that is the reason I'm not going upper, and I'm having some luggage, right? So I'll ask someone to click one picture of mine over here, and इसके बाद we'll leave. ठीक है? हाँ, गाड़ी बेंगलुरु गाड़ी. Done with the darshan. Those people who are watching me, they are, oh my god, my neck is paining here. It's too huge. Very, very, very huge. And let's go थोड़ा सा ऊपर also. Okay, so this is the in gate. Oh, Hara Hara Mahadeva Shambho Shankara. This is some resort, and there also you can go. AC, I'm coming upper. If you're parking your vehicle at the down, you need to come all the way, on your foot. Oh my god, yeah, see, such a huge Lord Shiva. Beach restaurant. Oh wow. You can go have some food in that restaurant. And here we have some couple of water sports also, and people are getting down inside the water, and they are having fun. You can go by this way, or through the road also. Chalo, Hara Hara Mahadeva, Shambho Shankara.